World's oldest roller coaster. 118 years old. Let's do this. Oh. What is up, everyone? I am here at Lakemont Park, standing by the world's oldest roller coaster, which you just saw a POV of if you're watching this on YouTube. So I'm gonna show off the plaques here for this. So here's the ACE plaque, and here's the National Historic Landmark plaque that's separate from the ACE plaque. So as I said on my POV, this is the world's oldest roller coaster. It was built in 1902, and well, it's still really fun because I mean, some thrill elements to it that you won't see on roller coasters built today. I'll show them on this car. So this is what they look like. So as you can see, there's no lap bar, no seat belt. There's not really any kind of restraint. So even for just a tiny bit of airtime that wouldn't be felt on other coasters, you can feel it on this. So I mean, that makes it really fun from that perspective. But also, it's just really cool to ride something that's several years older than my grandma. and I mean, the history of experiencing the world's oldest roller coaster, it's amazing. And also, this park was closed for a couple years recently, so for some renovations. So it's nice to see it up and running again. And if you're interested in more information on this, I recommend watching the PBS documentary Great Old Ammusement Parks. This park is featured at the end of that documentary, and I'm gonna show you some footage of the coaster. But as far as the coaster experience, it definitely still holds up today, even though it's 118 years old. So I mean, I'm happy to say that I've gotten to experience this, because from what I've seen, there comes the car. From what I've seen, there are still a lot of coaster enthusiasts who haven't been here, and with the other coaster, which I'm going to do a video at in a few minutes, there's also very little restraint, so you get a lot of airtime on it. So this park is a must for coaster enthusiasts, and definitely do not underestimate it because of the age of the coasters, because they still hold up today.